Welcome to our channel. If you have a new MetroPCS SIM card and need to activate it, follow these step-by-step instructions to get your phone service up and running. Step 1. Purchase a MetroPCS SIM card from a MetroPCS store or authorized retailer and ensure you have an unlocked compatible phone. Step 2. Power off your phone completely before installing the SIM card to prevent any potential damage to your device. Step 3. Locate the SIM card tray on your phone, usually on the side of the device. Use a SIM ejector tool to open the tray. Step 4. Carefully insert the MetroPCS SIM card into the tray, ensuring the gold contacts face downward and the notched corner aligns correctly. Step 5. Power on your phone and wait for it to detect the new SIM card and search for the MetroPCS network. Step 6. Call MetroPCS customer service at 611 from your phone or visit a MetroPCS store to complete the activation process. Step 7. Provide the representative with your SIM card number, IME number, and personal information to set up your account. Step 8. Once activated, restart your phone and test making a call, sending a text, and using mobile data to ensure everything works properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.